Wow, guys, I can't believe it. This is crazy. I was just looking at the analytics for the YouTube channel. We started this YouTube channel in 2007, and we're just posting videos, just a few here and there of some of our runs, just so my friends could more easily see what we were doing. 2019, my whole life changed. YouTube officially got going. Luckily, my wife, Kelly, was able to talk me into starting to post more frequently. And boy, I'm glad she did. It's awesome. This has been a great time hanging out with you guys and getting to know y'all. I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate that big boost that John Doc gave us. He gave me the confidence to really, keep going. And after I had only posted a few videos, he was like, man, I think you'll be okay. I think you'll be fine doing your YouTube channel. So that really was helpful coming from a successful YouTuber. But I appreciate all you guys. 10 million views. That's freaking insane. It's crazy that people want to see the way we race on a budget, trying to do more with less. I appreciate all you guys watching and tuning in and liking and sharing the videos that we're posting. Thanks, guys. More to come.